Hey YouTube, hey YouTube, hey YouTube. My name is Tyler Patterson. I am a 20-year-old digital entrepreneur, impact specialist, all that. And today, we are about to talk about the bag. We about to talk about the bag. We about to talk about getting to the bag. We about to talk about making money. And we about to talk about this powerhouse 10K in 100 days challenge. Woo! So, pretty much, stay to the end of the video. Stay to the end of the video. But pretty much, I am hosting a 10K in 100 days challenge. So if y'all know, I'm big on holidays, especially if y'all follow me like on social media. I'm big on Christmas, birthdays, getting gifts, spending money, all of that. I love holidays. I love giving gifts. I love receiving gifts, all of that. So this 100-day challenge is right on time, right? It literally ends the week of December the 18th, which is a couple days before Christmas. And just imagine like a lot of y'all that's watching this, y'all might, every time Christmas come up, y'all might not be able to get y'all kids, mama, daddy, uncle, brother, friends, what they really want. Or just imagine like you trying to, for Christmas, you trying to gift yourself something. You trying to get that new car, you trying to pay for school, new apartment, new this, new that. This is what this 10K in 100 days challenge is for, to give back during the holidays and to also help new traders actually not only make money but withdraw it, because we all know that the money is not real until you take it out of your trading account. Simple as that. You can make $100,000, sweetie. If you lose $100,000, you never made anything if you don't take out the money and actually are able to spend it. So with that actually being said, that is why I want to host this trading challenge. I've tried other ways of showing new people that are trading to actually save money with trading plans, like a compounded trading plan where you're basically compounding a certain percentage every single day. That does not really work for new traders. And when I say new, I'm talking about anybody from 1 to 3 months inside of the business. That percentage thing does not really work, and it's a lot of math. I've tried daily goals with people. That doesn't really work in my experience with working with new traders, just because it might work for a couple days and then they might get greedy, or they might just get greedy in two types of ways. One way, it might be like, oh well, I'm making $50 a day but I want to make more. Or it might just be in the terms of they're making that money every single day and kind of the same thing, they try to up it and then they end up over leveraging and losing money. So with that being said, I'm trying something a little different, which is this 10K in 100 days challenge. And how you actually make this 10K in 100 days. So I wish I knew the TikTok creator that like first started this, but I don't. But one day I was watching the TikTok, and really this challenge was really for people that kind of like are in the industries of having money like on hand. So like hairstylists, you know, they get paid in cash, or barbers or estheticians, whatever, they getting paid, they touching a lot of cash in a day. So basically what you do for 100 days, you get 100 envelopes, and for every single day you double that amount on the envelope. So for example, for day 1 you do $2 on the envelope, for day 2 you do $4, for day 3 you do $6, for day 4 you do $8, for day 5 10 6 12, etc, 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 etc. So I'm like, okay, that's smart, but I never have cash. Like for me, I'm the pulling out my card. Like if you don't accept card, like even when I go get my hair done, I hate when I gotta go to the freaking ATM to take out cash. Like, why don't you accept cards? So with that being said, I was like, okay, I thought of something creative for like new people, because for new people, like if you're new to trading, you're watching this video, it's literally perfect, because your first day you only got to get a $2 withdrawal. Now I do want to, like, what's that thing called, a warning, I don't know, I do want to alert y'all, saying alert, I don't know the word that I'm looking for right now, but you cannot literally withdraw $2 from your trading account. Most trading accounts have a minimum of, I think Hugo's way is like 10 for regular Forex. I know most HFX brokers is 50 to 100, but I have calculated a way for you to still, we can still get that feel of like making the $2 a day, the $4 a day, 6, 8, 10, blah, 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 blah. And then when you get enough money, you will withdraw. So if you're actually on my team and inside of the challenge, you will get all of those juicy details. But if not, that is still okay, because I'm still gonna, you know, show y'all how to actually, we got a whole little Excel sheet plan, everything, so that you can stay on track with yourself, and at the end of these 100 days have that 10K. Now I also think this challenge is pretty cool because a lot of people have been seeing me trading for like a long time. It's going on 3 years, and y'all have seen like my lifestyle shift, y'all seen my life shift, but it's not really the end for me. But I know that a lot of people believe in me, but I don't want just people to believe in me. I want people to believe in it. Like, Forex is a real thing. So I actually want to take the opportunity with this challenge to not only show my results, but to actually track my team results. Like, track real people, real starting points, real ending points, and show y'all that the proof is in the pudding. Like, if you're still not trading in general, you played yourself. If you're still not trading with Powerhouse, you literally played yourself. Like, you got a basketball in your hand and you dribbled it. You played yourself, right? So with that being said, that is the whole reason I put this challenge together. Especially, like, it's like, for me, I know, like, before I started Forex, it would literally be, I'm saving for something the most, I'm saving for something the most, and some BS always happen. That's another reason I put this challenge together, because I'm like, even if you got a job, you can still keep doing what you're doing, you can still keep working how you work, you can still keep doing all of that, but at the end of the day, you know, you're over here, you're working, you're grinding. So it's Friday today. On this day of me making the video, it's Friday, July the 30th, 2021. And the challenge for my team is going to start August the 1st, 2021. But the way that I'm going to put the numbers together and stuff, and I'm going to do a separate video of how I actually put those numbers together. It's going to be called, like, the trading plan for the 10K and 100 days challenge, whatever. That basically is going to start on Monday, August the 1st, 2021. So if you want to get all of the juicy details that my team is getting, you need to join Powerhouse. And also, if you're watching this YouTube video, that's why I told y'all to stay to the end. Whoever successfully completes the challenge, there's only going to be 3 winners, will receive a $5,000 prize. So on top of you saving up that 10K, I'm going to personally come out of my pocket and give you $5,000 for the top 3 people that complete this challenge and actually have the best story on what they actually went to buy if you're on my team. So I'm going to actually put a picture of the requirements to win the extra 5K on top of the 10K that you're going to save up. So I think it's actually lit. And if you're not a part of my team but you want to actually be a part of my team before Monday, please hit me up. Hit me up and put my social medias below. So that is pretty much it. There is one more thing I want to talk about before I end this video, and that is my Powerhouse merch. So this is one of my things. This is my abbreviated logo sweater, PH House of Power. And then this is another shirt that I made. This is not on my website because I basically customized it, like I bleached it and I cropped it and stuff. But if you just want like the shirt with like where it say Powerhouse House of Power on it, that is on my website, and I'm going to put that below. And that's just a way for anybody that, you know, if you don't want to join IM or anything like that, that's just a way to support me. If you rock on my YouTube channel, if you've ever got any value from me, if you started trading because you watch my videos, please go and buy some merch for my channel. And it's not just for people that trade or people that do Forex or people that's on my team. This brand really like talks about inclusivity, because I've made a lot of money, I've inspired a lot of people, I've helped a lot of people start trading, and it's all because I decided to be myself. No matter how I sound, how I talk, how I look, how my hair is, you know, I get on Instagram, social media with a bonnet on, and I've still been able to inspire people. I've still been able to make a lot of money, and I've still been able to change a lot of lives. So that is what my brand means to me. So if you rock with me, I really appreciate it if y'all just hit that link and just buy one thing. I got phone cases, hoodies, shirts, any and everything. Just go ahead, buy you something, tag me on Instagram, and I definitely appreciate it, especially if I've ever given you any type of value. But other than that, stay tuned, stay locked in, stay subscribed for this 10K and 100 days challenge. I can't wait to show y'all my team progress. I can't wait to show y'all my progress. And as always, I love you and thank you for watching.